Losing your precious iPad data is a nightmare, but backing it up to your Mac is the simple key to unlocking peace of mind. Alright, let's dive in. First, you'll need your iPad and your Mac. Of course, grab your charging cable and connect your iPad to your Mac using the USB cable. Make sure the connection is seated correctly at both ends. Now, on your Mac, open Finder. If you're on an older Mac OS version, you might use iTunes. Instead, you should see your iPad appear in the sidebar, under Locations in Finder, indicating your iPad is connected. Click on your iPad's name. This will open the iPad management window. You'll see a summary of your iPad here, showing its storage capacity and other details. This is where the magic happens. Look for the backup section here. You have options. Choose your preferred backup method, automatic or manual. If you want to start a backup right away, click on Backup Now and wait until the backup is complete. Otherwise, click Backup Automatically. Finder will now start backing up your iPad. The backup time depends on how much data you have, so be patient. Please don't disconnect your iPad while the backup is in progress. You'll see a progress bar showing the process. When done, your iPad data will be safe and secure on your Mac.